Hey everyone, and welcome back to another exciting update from Barcelona's legendary Camp Nou stadium. Today's update comes on a special day as Barcelona prepares for the first leg of the Champions League quarterfinals against Borussia Dortmund, played at the Olympic Stadium. But first, let's check out the latest progress on the iconic Camp Nou rebuild. As you can see, work continues at full speed. Steel structures are still being installed and reinforced across the entire third tier of the new stands. Every corner of the stadium is buzzing with activity. Now here's something important. FC Barcelona has received official approval to continue non-stop construction at Camp Nou until April 30th. The City Council will keep monitoring the noise levels to make sure they stay within the legal limits. But from April 18 to April 21st, during Easter holidays, all work will temporarily pause, as confirmed by El Periódico and local sources. The current license allows continuous work from Monday 8 a.m. to Friday midnight, including both internal and external tasks with lighting and machinery. There's also a standard work schedule, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m., with machinery stopping at 8 p.m. And yes, even Saturdays are included. From 10 a.m. to 8 p.m., specific activities are allowed under the extended permit. It's worth noting that these permissions were granted with full cooperation from neighborhood associations in Les Corts. However, no construction is allowed in the mini Estadi area during those extended hours. So far, progress has been impressive, and every week brings us closer to seeing the new Camp Nou in all its glory. Thank you for sticking with us until the end. If you like this video and are passionate about stadiums, subscribe now to our Sports Render channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss our newest videos. Subscribe and become part of our stadium-loving community. See you in the next videos.